Hi guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. So you might be asking yourself the question, how do I connect with infinite possibilities? By removing theta seals, implants in the body that can actually block the flow of energy, it becomes easier or more possible to manifest. Also, when one integrates the past, the present, and the future, this can not only bring more harmony, but also improve manifestation and infinite possibilities. Know that your guides are stepping in. Trust what is falling away. Trust that your guides know what is best for your higher self and will only take what is not needed. Thank you.